Hello viewers, I am in Manar Abu Dhabi. There is a light show, drone show. It starts by 9 in the night. There are around 6 installations which we are going to see right now. And later by 9 p.m. we'll see the light show. Manar Abu Dhabi, and we are going to first installation.
Making the intangible tangible. We want us to have that experience of touching the light. How would that feel? So what we have here is 6 arcs. Each one reflects the light in front of you like a mysterious gateway of light. And while you walk through it, there is water mist coming from both sides. So you can actually see the gateway forming in front of you. Not only see it, now you can interact with it. You can feel it, touch it, listen to it, and also change how it looks just by walking through it. And that's how each one of you will have a unique experience just by walking through the gateway. The gateway, 6 of them. So enjoy your walk, and by 9 there's the drone show. Actually, this drone show is our 12th installation for this year, so it's part of Manar already. So have a nice night.
Thank you, thank you. Wow. I can see it. Wow. Just feeling the light. It's really indeed nice. Let's go to the next installation. The Abu Dhabi city, somewhere slightly far, probably 20 kilometer plus. It's close to Yas Island. Wow. Oh. See them? Oh, great. Let me get some explanation that may help. Hello. Can you please explain little on this?
Yeah, sure. So this is Whispers.
Okay.
It's made by the artists Drift.
Okay.
They're a couple from the Netherlands. And we have 468 wheats.
468 beats.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
And they move with the airflow, obviously. And once you go down, the temperature there is much colder than up here.
Ah, okay. I can walk there.
Yes, you can.
Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Let's they have done with all the safety measures. That's a great thing. Wow. 468 beats. Wow, very nice. This is probably the second installation. Let's go to the third one. There is no direction board, but it looks the right one I'm going to. Wow. Yeah, I will come to this part little later. There are swings for everyone. I don't see only for children. Have a clear board.
Okay, so basically this output gives you biometric data such as your heart rate, breathing, moisture in your body. Create a personalized flower for each individual. No two flowers are the same. So basically your biometric data is generating the flower that you're currently feeling.
Wow. See the roof? Let's move to other installation. Okay. Beautiful. I think I've come in the right time. This island is called Jubail Island. Six and 5. Okay, let's see what else next. Very interesting, by the way. It is there up to January 6th, 2025. Those who are in UAE are coming down to UAE. You can visit this location. It's in Manar Abu Dhabi, in between Abu Dhabi city and Yas Island. You can come by taxi if you are a tourist. From the Abu Dhabi airport or from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, you can come by bus. Let's check what it is. Probably someone help. Hello. Hi.
Yes.
What is this?
It's an artwork by Ezekiel Pini.
Uh-huh.
It's named Skyward. It's a combination of artificial and the natural means of the sky. That's why it's angled in an obtuse angle.
You're gonna get what it is.
Go straight, you're gonna find
That is locked.
locked.
You go straight from here. Follow the path.
Okay, sky.
Yes, sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. So the material used here is an LED screen on the left and the right side mirrors. On the back side, there's a combination of both. So you're gonna find a LED screen on the middle. Left and right side are mirrors. As for the stone, it's from Ras Al Khaimah. It's the northernmost
Northern Emirates, yes.
Yeah, of the UAE.
Yes.
And it weighed around 16 tons before being carved and designed and placed into here, and now weighs around 10.6 tons.
10.6 tons.
Yes, 10
That rock?
600 kg. It's a real rock.
Wow.
The
Oh, that's why it's called Sky Rock.
skyward.
Skyward,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
The meaning behind, the idea behind the artwork is what gives the name to the artwork itself. Either way, this stone here is from Ras Al Khaimah, as I told, and it's named Grabo. The specific stone is found over there in Ras Al Khaimah, and they're named Grabos.
Okay.
Yes. As for the interaction, there's no human interactions. The interaction is only between the stars and the stone itself.
Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
No worries.
Okay, super. It's called Skyward. Here the short narration. You can pause and watch. The interesting thing is the rock, a stone on the top. That's a great thing. Which is that rock on the top. Wow. Okay, let's go to next installation. Let me see whether anything we can see it here.